ever-evolving landscape of digital photography, Nikon stands as a stalwart, continuously pushing boundaries and redefining expectations with each new release. As enthusiasts and professionals eagerly anticipate the next iteration of mid-tier cameras, whispers and rumors abound regarding the highly anticipated Nikon Z6 III. With purported specifications hinting at a potent combination of advanced features and enhancements, this camera promises to be a game-changer in its class. At the heart of the speculation surrounding the Nikon Z6 III lies its imaging capabilities. Rumored to include the ability to capture stunning 6K video at a smooth 60 frames per second in Nikon RAW format. For videographers seeking versatility and uncompromising quality, the prospect of shooting 4K footage at an impressive 120 frames per second, albeit with a crop, offers a tantalizing proposition. Furthermore, the inclusion of 4K 60 full ProRes RAW support signifies Nikon's commitment to catering to the demands of professional filmmakers. In tandem with its video prowess, the Nikon Z6 III is rumored to sport a new and improved electronic viewfinder, boasting an impressive resolution of 5.76 million dots. This advancement promises enhanced clarity and detail, providing photographers with a more immersive shooting experience. Complementing the upgraded EVF is an improved LCD display, further elevating the camera's usability and ensuring accurate framing and playback.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
On the stills front, the Nikon Z6 III is rumored to deliver impressive performance, capable of capturing images at a rapid rate of 20 frames per second in RAW format with 14-bit depth. Additionally, photographers can expect the ability to shoot stills at an astonishing 120 frames per second in JPEG format, opening up new creative possibilities for capturing fleeting moments with unparalleled precision. The Nikon Z6 III is also rumored to feature a high-speed mechanical shutter with a maximum speed of 1/16000 seconds, allowing photographers to freeze fast-paced action with exceptional clarity and detail. Furthermore, with 299 autofocus points, the camera is poised to deliver swift and accurate subject tracking, ensuring that even the most elusive subjects remain sharply in focus. In a nod to the demands of modern workflows, the Nikon Z6 III is speculated to offer dual memory card slots, accommodating both CF Express and SD formats. This dual-slot configuration provides photographers with flexibility and redundancy, allowing for seamless storage management and data backup. In terms of design, the Nikon Z6 III is rumored to inherit the sleek and ergonomic aesthetics of its predecessors, with slight dimensional adjustments to accommodate enhancements such as the improved LCD hinge. The inclusion of a PSAM dial offers intuitive control over exposure settings, catering to the preferences of both novice and seasoned photographers alike. Furthermore, the Nikon Z6 III is said to feature a button layout reminiscent of the flagship Nikon Z8, providing familiarity for users transitioning between different models within the Z series lineup. Despite these refinements, the camera maintains the same overall height, with minor increases in width and thickness compared to its predecessor. In terms of build quality, the Nikon Z6 III is rumored to exhibit the same robust construction as its predecessors, with slight weight gain attributed to the incorporation of new features and enhancements. However, this increase in weight is likely to be negligible, ensuring that the camera remains comfortably portable for extended shooting sessions. Powering the Nikon Z6 III is the reliable ENEL15 battery, ensuring long-lasting performance and allowing photographers to focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about running out of power. In conclusion, the rumored specifications of the Nikon Z6 III paint a compelling picture of a versatile and capable camera poised to meet the diverse needs of photographers and videographers alike. With its advanced imaging capabilities, ergonomic design, and seamless integration into modern workflows, the Nikon Z6 III promises to be a worthy successor to its esteemed lineage, further cementing Nikon's position as a leader in the world of digital imaging.